saw your face in a big crowd, and now it's all I think about. I've had some leads, but nothing found. A puzzle I can't figure out. I'm running circles and I don't have a plan. I've got a mess, I'm stuck with an impossible task. Looking through my files and I'm checking the news. I'm trying everything I can to get back to you. I'm in person. Feels like this cage could be my death. I need a hint, I need a clue, 'cause all I have is you. I'm running circles and I don't have a plan. I've got a mess, I'm stuck with an impossible task. Looking through my files and I'm checking the news. I'm trying everything I can to get back to you. Can you believe he said that? Like, how cute. You can put me in the trash can, throw me on the sidewalk, drop me at the crossroads, sell me at the thrift shop. I don't really care where you send me, send me, send me. No, I don't really care. You can drop me in the ocean, leave me in the alley, hide me in the basement, or leave me at the lost and found. I don't really care where you lose me, lose me, lose me, or if you choose me. I'm a genius, didn't even graduate, don't have a blue check, not verified, but when I go out, I feel satisfied. 'Cause I'm hot and pretty and I got nice. Hot and pretty and I got nice teeth. Hot and pretty and I got nice. If I die happy. Hot and pretty and I got nice. Hot and pretty and I got nice teeth. Hot and pretty and I got nice. If I die happy. All these dummies on my DMs, oh my god, I see 'em. Do you think I'd read 'em? If I did, I'd leave them on red. Can't believe they thought I want them. Like who? Me? Her? She? I don't really care if they hate me now. I'm on my way out, but you're way out my league. 'Cause I'm hot and pretty and I got nice. Hot and pretty and I got nice teeth. Hot and pretty and I got nice. If I die happy. Hot and pretty and I got nice. Hot and pretty and I got nice teeth. Hot and pretty and I got nice. If I die happy, happy. On the coffee you spilled, the text you never sent. Play this fool feelings where you never listen to the outfit that you loved, but your ex couldn't bear. Wow, wow, yeah. On the top you never closed, maybe overshared. Drug that went too far, crush you never named. Lipstick on your mirror, staring at your face. Hot and pretty and I got nice. Hot and pretty and I got nice teeth. Hot and pretty and I got nice. If I die happy. Hot and pretty and I got nice. Hot and pretty and I got nice teeth. Hot and pretty think I'm gonna break down. I've been acting like a good girl way too long. Gonna break down, 'cause looking at her face just makes me go, what you wanna say, what you wanna do, don't you wanna play, I'm not done with you. I'm just gonna break down. That's what I say. Wait, wait, wait. What you gonna do when she's writing your paycheck? It really turns around making me walk on a thin thread. So now what you gonna do, what you gonna do, just be a pet. I am on the edge and I am holding on for dear life. I better play it cool 'cause she's not worth wasting my time. No, but she's pushing me, pushing me, pushing me. She keeps on pushing me. Yeah, I think I'm gonna break down. I've been acting like a good girl way too long. Gonna break down, 'cause looking at her face just makes me go, what you wanna say, what you wanna do, don't you wanna play, I'm not done with you. I'm just gonna break down. That's what I say. Wait, wait, wait. That's right. Here we go. I can hear you calling out my name. You just wanna pass around the flame. Everything about you is so fake. I've just about had enough. I think I'm gonna break down. I've been acting like a good girl way too long. Gonna break down, 'cause looking at her face just makes me go, what you wanna say, what you wanna do, don't you wanna play, I'm not done with you. I'm just gonna break down. That's what I say. Wait, wait, wait. Outside my kitchen window, there's a happy parade. Confused as the question lingers, should I join them today? Am I allowed to pretend I'm good for a while? I put glitter in my eyes so they look all full of life. 'Cause I wanna participate in the happy parade. I'll slap a smile across my face, get some sun on this pale skin, feel the freckles form as I'm giving in. That's how I'm fitting in the happy parade. That's how I'm fitting in the happy parade. Ha ha, I laugh beside them like it's all that I know. What lies behind this moment is a story, babe.